Hi everyone, this is Hannah, and today I'm going to do the tutorial video for this 3D mark purse box set. So this is the one that I showed before, and this is the dies. So let me explain the dies first. So you get this piece. This piece is to make the size part, so you need to cut it 2 times. And also these are the layering pieces for this piece, so also cut them 2 times each. And this is the base, so for this base you only need to cut it 1 time. And this is the top part, so this one is to cut the cardstock, and this one is the layering piece for the top part. So cut them both 1 times, and this one you only need to cut it 1 time. I have cut them out already, and these are the extra dies that I didn't cut, but you will also get this like zipper. So this zipper you can put it at the back side like a purse, and you get a bow here. So yeah, this is the bow. So I pop it up on the foam, yeah. And you also get the words coffee break that you can use like on this part. So these are the cut out. So that's first, glue all the layering pieces on top. So this one is for this piece, and yeah, just make sure that it lines up well. See, this should fit, and this whole part should also fit. And this part lines up on this part. And we also, yeah, glue the layering pieces on this side part. So these are ready, and let's assemble the box. Yeah, let's fold this side part along the folding lines. So let's glue this shorter part to the shorter side of this bottom part. And this part here. And also stick this part here. So it looks like this. And now we have this part, right? So there is a folding line here, so we also, yeah, fold this part first. And make it a little curved. Yeah, so this part we need to stick it at this part, see, like so. So here you can see that this part is longer than this part. Yeah, so it can cover the inside side part. And this one and these two is to put it, yeah, like this. And this box is almost ready. You just need to put your mark inside to have the handle part. So it's like this. And you can use a Velcro or a magnet here just to close your box. So yeah, let me take out this mark so you can see it. See, you put your handle on top, and yeah, make these two parts in the hole. Yeah, so like this. And here to close your box, and then you can like add bows or add words here or add other decoration here to close, to decorate your mark purse. And the back side you can use a zipper here. Yeah, so this is how the box is made. And if you have any questions, please let me know. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.